GT series features a trigger throttle display which on occasion may need to be replaced. Luckily, this is quick and easy to do. Start by using a 3mm Allen key to remove the two bolts closest to the display. Be careful not to lose the nuts on the underside of the display. Use a finger to stop them from falling out. There are a few variations of the display throttle, however all are very similar. For this display, use a flathead screwdriver or a butter knife to pry off the back cover, which will reveal the wire connection inside. On this display, the back cover is secured by 4 small screws. Remove these using a precision Phillips head screwdriver and the back cover will come away. The GT display we are currently working on has a single small screw to remove. Once removed, give the cable a gentle wobble to dislodge the back cover. A small zip tie is used to secure the wire inside. Carefully maneuver the wire to get the zip tie out without putting pressure on the wire plug. Now the plug itself may be removed. On the plug will be a locking tab, as seen here. This tab needs to be pressed towards the body of the plug for the plug to come loose. Once depressed, gently wiggle the plug with a slight pulling pressure until the plug disconnects. Different variations of display all have different plugs, however all have this locking tab and it is essential that it be depressed before trying to remove the plug. Reassembly is done in the reverse order. Plug in the new display, making sure it's lined up properly and the locking tab is locked in place. Reposition the loose cable so the zip tie is inside the display. Reinstall the rear cover by first inserting the 2 tabs before pushing into position and replacing the screw. Place the 2 nuts into the appropriate positions and use a finger to keep them in place while refitting the Allen key bolts. Make sure the bolts are all secure and test the display.